Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Quickmill Aquile espresso machine. See, we have hot water, steam, nice pressure, and I'm not actually going to try to pull the lever by myself with the iPad because I might hurt myself because there's no portafilter. Mario's gonna hold the iPad here while I pull the lever. There's no portafilter, but you can see that we have nice strong flow and the pump fills. And then I'll take it again. Thank you, Mario. And then we'll let it fill. The primary issue with this machine was it was not heating, and we found that the water float and water float sensor were bad. The magnet was actually very weak in the machine, and now you can see that when we take the tank out, the heat turns up. And when we put the tank back in, the heat, or it says okay, so it's only heating if it actually needs the heat. Sorry, the red light's only going to come on if it actually needs the heat. But once it's hot, the red light goes out. But you can see the okay light and the heating light will shut off once I lift the tank. And you can see the machine consistently working. When I pull, just want to do several trials here on a video to show that it's tested it several times and that it's not sensitive to the positioning of the tank like it was before. And yeah, keeps going. So, several times. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.